Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation that you see right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the radiator fan fuse is located, which fuse you need to check. It's a special fuse that's hidden, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the radiator fan fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry guys, right here. Now guys, you have two different fuse boxes in this car. We'll work in just one, and it's located directly under the hood. Open the hood, you will face the engine. Once you do that, on the right side under this cover guys, right here, you're going to have a fuse box under this cover. Go ahead, open it, and you will see guys, this is the engine fuse box layout right here. Now before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys, there is one special fuse for the radiator fan. You see you have multiple fuses, relays, but right here you have two special fuses, this one here and this one there. Those are known as multi-block fuses. They have many fuses built in one. That's the one that we need to check right here. And if you open it guys, okay, let me show you now. Okay, this is the top view of the fuse, and if you come right here, okay, this is guys, okay, the side view. That fuse, if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse block. That's bad news. Good news, we'll put the link where you can get one from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. But that fuse right here, the first one from left to right, okay, that one here guys, that's the one that you need to check for the radiator fan. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.